Hello.
Morning.
Morning. How are you doing?
All right. Oh,
A lot of turbulence in the market today.
oh yeah.
I
You
mean,
in the palm?
yeah, I mean the pound dollar, but gold finally took off after giving, where is gold? I think after going sideways like this, it finally took off. Guess the entry was here. 40 pips. Change in direction, continuation. Another change in direction. It's just sideways,
Yeah, that's because the pending news. That's it.
Yeah. News is still 25 minutes away, but that's not anything major. I don't understand. I think they're waiting for the University of Michigan sentiment report tomorrow. That's what they usually do.
Mm-hmm.
Till then, it's going to be just take people out.
There's a lot of news come out though.
Today,
Yeah. Core retail, Empire State Manufacturing Index, retail sales, unemployment claims, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index.
yeah, the main thing is the retail sales. At least that's the red news, and that's supposed to be worse than expected.
And then Euro has some news coming out too.
That's the press conference.
And then Main refinancing rate.
Okay. What time is that?
And also press conference in about 10 minutes.
8:15.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys,
Hey, John.
I'm just going short the pound US right now.
Okay.
And my target is 126.10.
Yeah. I was already short on US. I'm gonna wait for the news though. I'm out at 6 whips.
Well, there is a trend line here, so it has to break that.
Yeah.
I think it will.
Ah. You're right. Your news coming out in 10 minutes.
Or the interest rate.
Mhm.
I forgot that I did.
Yeah.
Look, if they raise it, they've already priced it in the market. Euro's been going up against the dollar for the last, since the start of the month.
I mean, they're gonna raise it by 4%. That's the expectation.
That's the expectation, yeah. Unless, I don't know.
So euro should have been zooming up, but it has been dropping.
Like I said, I think that they possibly have already priced it in.
Okay.
I hasten to add that's a possibility, not a probability.
Yeah.
I mean, they could shoot this thing up to 109 and then turn it back down. Who knows?
Pound has been in consolidation all morning.
Okay.
Now it's trying to break to the downside, but the news for the US is not supposed to be good. So this is a dump and pump.
Yeah, maybe.
Yen rates tonight. So pound yen and all of those going to be jumping up and down today.
We can be expecting or anticipating or guessing, if you want to call it that, that the Japanese central bank will intervene in the yen.
Yeah, I mean the expectation is they're not going to do anything with the rate.
They're giving hints.
Yeah.
Okay. Is anyone in gold?
I was earlier, just as I was looking at it, moved after the session,
Okay.
after the Euro session.
Hmm.
Again, based on the news, it's going to move. So I got ripped out of this. It's trying to go short here. Didn't stay long. Didn't go short for a long time. And then went short here.
I missed all that move.
Yeah,
Good move.
40 pips.
Yeah. Well, I wasn't here, so I couldn't get it.
Oh,
But I'm
good.
in it now. I'm in it now, and I'm up 7 pips. So I'm just gonna
Okay.
pull the stop in to break even, and if it goes, it goes, and if it doesn't, I didn't lose anything. It looks like
Right.
it's going to come back and take me out already. Gone, finished. All good.
Took you out?
Yeah, break even.
Yeah.
Too close to the news. It either goes or it, sometimes it shoots off beforehand, and sometimes it messes you up.
Right.
Oh wow, the pound yen looks like it's reversing to the downside. Be a nice move there now. That's a 1, 2, 3 on the 15. On the 5.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in. Pound yen short.
It's going to go against you first.
Well, maybe it will.
Stochastics are pointing up. So
You're right. But that is a 1, 2, 3 on the 15 and on the 5. And a big one. 1, 2, 3.
it's a 1, 2. There's no 3 yet. The yellow ball would be the 2. The yellow ball would be a 3. So there's a yellow ball 1, 2, 3, right?
Okay. Go to the 5. Oh, that is the 5. All right.
Yeah. If you look at the 15, you need
Okay.
a 2 ball.
All right. 178. So 5. 178. 10. Pound in, US yen. Trying to come back down as well.
The yen pairs long and the euro session were good trades.
Okay, I'm close. I'm break even on the pound US,
Mhm.
and so the only trade I have on now is a pound yen, and that's short. The US yen looks like it wants to go short in the short term,
Mhm.
but you know we do have the news, so it's not
Yeah.
tradable.
And euro news is about to come out. What are you trading there, Santiago?
Just looking at gold and
Okay.
maybe see if the euro, which
Euro
one,
dollar?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
Just got to find which is the strongest and weakest with the euro.
And Euro New Zealand seems to be the trade long for now,
Right.
before the news comes out.
Right. Euro Aussie and Euro New Zealand seeing
Euro
where the
Aussie.
dollar starting to weaken, so maybe the euro dollar also.
Yeah, Euro Aussie is almost neck to neck in strength. So, and the euro dollar. Yeah, the euro dollar is definitely waiting on the news. Euro Aussie just flipped positions. Yeah, everything on a hold pattern waiting for the news. Interest rate decisions out. They raised the interest rate by 1/4 point for the euro. The euro should be rising. Yep. Aussie took off. Euro yen.
Yeah. I think they'll slowed up.
Yeah, it's not a fast move.
No, I think my thing is getting frozen.
Oh. Euro yen just did a new high.
Sorry, we got US news at the bottom of the hour, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, I'll have a quick look out there and see what's going on.
Why is it on that? It's supposed to be in the Euro CAD.
Yeah, euro CAD is moving up. Euro's gotten very strong. Bad news for the CAD, the housing starts dropped, so euro strong, CAD weak. And there you go. We'll keep an eye on the pound dollar. It's just been in the ass trading today. This one is still within the
A lot of it has been down, yes, yeah.
still within the Japanese trade range. Again, the Japanese Asian session doesn't come out of that at all. This thing is still bullish.
Sorry?
The pound dollar is still bullish.
Yeah, well, check out the double top on the daily. They penetrated and then brought it back down before the close.
Mhm.
So God knows where it'll go from here, but it should by, you would be expecting it to correct to the downside now. I'm just looking at the price action now, that's all right. I'm not looking at the indicators. So we'll see what happens.
I want to keep an eye on the 1 minute chart and see what it does.
So we have like 9 minutes to the news.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Is Rita's brother still with you, or he just came for the day?
Oh no, it was just a day trip. She's gone back to work today, but I've had to go and do a lot of work at her mom's place this morning.
Okay.
So it's just never ending at the moment. It's just the way it is. You know,
Right.
got to live with it. Got to suck it up. She's got all of next week back at work, I'm told, and then she's off for like 6 weeks.
Okay.
So if you think during that 6 weeks that I sound demented, crazy, and gone off my head, you're probably right. But you know why?
Yeah. My wife is off after tomorrow for 2 months,
Yeah.
and she's not working this summer because she couldn't get a position.
All right.
So I'm not looking forward to that.
You have my deepest sympathy. I'm used to being on my own all the time, and you know, even when I'm working outdoors, you know, doing stuff for various families, I'm always on my own,
Right.
and you get used to that after a while, and especially trading, because the slightest thing puts me off.
Right.
You know, you and I, we all know here that like when you're trading, you've got to be doing nothing else.
Right.
You know. Here we go, the pound US now. This will be interesting to see what happens here. We've only got 6 minutes to go.
They're just going up and down.
I know they're positioning, laying traps there here, booby traps all over the place now. They'll probably pump this back up to 127 again and then drop it. Or maybe go the other way, who knows?
Yeah, 4 hours trying to flip over to the south side. But
Yeah. They've just taken out a load of stops on gold anyway, so.
that's what they're good at.
Oh, they excel.
Look at the Eurocast still pushing pretty good up.
Yeah. Euro. Well, euro is
Yeah.
the strongest right now currency.
Right.
So euro NZD should be moving too.
Yeah. Wait for
Look at
a
that.
pullback.
Yeah,
Wait
gotta
for a
wait for
pullback.
that cycle, right? I don't think it's going to cycle. It's just this has been one of the strongest trades today. Look at that. It's already been up. It's already gone up 120 pips. And pound NZD correspondingly has done almost nothing. Crappy. Gold should be gold's throttling now. Look at that. Oh, wow. Let's see. I guess with the US not raising interest rates was not a surprise. But it didn't do anything with the FOMC announcement. It just bounced
Okay.
back and forth.
Okay, let's see. So we're watching the pound US then to see what happens here, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get back to that pound US. You're on the 15-minute.
And the 4-hour structure is saying that I should go short. Right? So if your daily double top.
Yes,
But they have this whole from here to play with. So they
correct.
could spike it up.
Yeah, they could bring this back up to the very top, up to the MR2, or
Yeah, and then bring it down. So
yeah,
if you look at the 4-hour, the 4-hour is still bullish. The purple line is still up here.
yeah.
And even this hasn't crossed 50. So there is no bearish trend right now.
Right.
I mean, if you got any pips out of the shorts, which we did a few pips, it was basically a short-lived trade. I mean, it's been long, over 3 days.
Okay, the pound yen is really starting to move down. No, it can turn around and move back up very quickly too, don't get me wrong.
Yeah, still bullish. So
yeah. Okay, back to the pound US.
okay. Okay. Manufacturing sales is better than expected. Empire State Manufacturing is much better than expected. Retail sales are better than expected.
Okay,
And core retail sales is the same, waiting for the unemployment claims to show up.
so the US dropped like a rock against the yen.
Yeah,
News is better than forecast, and dollar gets weak.
well, the unemployment claims are worse than expected. So I don't know which one is the overriding news item here.
Okay, all right.
What's going on? Lot
My
of playing-
platform has just gone crazy. It's
Oh, okay.
it's making all sorts of weird sounds and noises.
There's some more news at 9:15 and 10 o'clock on the US. They're really driving it, aren't they?
Yeah. Okay.
It's like it took a position.
I went long on the pound US, but I think I might have jumped the gun. I might test the 126.95 area. But I was wrong. Yeah, it took me out -5. Mixed bag of tricks. Yes, here we go. Okay, I'm going in short on the US yen.
Took a long on gold.
Okay. Man, that's a lot of positions somebody's taking.
I went long
Job?
gold. I went long gold,
Okay,
so I'm short the pound yen, the US yen, and the gold. Gold is long.
okay.
I'm going over to have a look at all the news items that have yet to come out today because there's something weird going on here. Is there a pressy from the ECB due out?
Mhm.
Oh, come on, what is it today? It's a press conference at 1:45 my time. I mean, no serious movement until that's over.
That should already be done, right?
Pardon?
Should already be done, right? Oh, 45, so not 10
Yeah,
minutes.
no, another few minutes before it even starts.
Yeah.
Lagarde will be at it again. She's an expert at it.
Yeah.
Now then, tomorrow you need to watch out for the yen because there's a monetary policy statement, policy rate,
Mhm.
and a press conference. I don't know what time it just says tentative. That's going to be massive.
It's 5 a.m. your time tomorrow.
Okay, well, hopefully I'm still asleep then. And then you have very late tomorrow, you have US consumer sentiment. Yeah, I see where you're coming from. All right.
I think that's what the market is waiting on.
Well, it's going to be a combination. Well, like the Japanese one tomorrow will be massive. That'll if you're around for that, that'll be a colossal mover.
What I'm saying is the pound yen probably won't move till that 10 a.m.
Possibly, yeah.
news
Possibly.
is out.
Yeah.
That's what it usually does.
Yeah. Unless they drop it and then pump it back up at the news and then drop it again, we'll see.
Yeah, could be.
Okay, the pound yen is starting to move again. Canadian is very weak, is it?
Mhm.
And Canadian is moving down.
But both the CAD and the yen are weak, so not sure why.
The CAD is weaker than.
Yeah. A trade would have been the euro yen
The long side?
long side, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Okay.
Euro yen. Look at that.
US yen is starting to move again. I'm going to take it short again. Hold on. Where's my take profit? I don't even have a take profit. 140, 40. Come on.
Okay, put the US yen short.
Okay, 140, 52, 53 even. 140, 53 is the target for me. Just added to the pound yen short very late. Seems to have a bit of momentum, that. I'm 2 bars and no more than that. I'm 4 bars short, late getting into that.
Mhm.
I should have been up. Oh, geez, I should have been up an extra 19 pips on that add-on, but I wasn't. Anyway, not to worry. We are up overall. For a sec, back in 5.
Yeah. The market just slowed down.
Yeah.
Uh, There's a lot of people taking their profits.
Yeah, yeah.
Not letting it go yet.
Okay, just added to the US yen.
Mhm. I got 4 positions now, so I'm going to just let it sit.
What do you mean?
I have 4 trades.
On the US yen?
Yeah.
Go on, Rajiv, the rest of the big hitters.
There it goes. Come on, come on, let's go.
It was my goal to break even.
Hmm.
And I went back into the US yen again. But I don't know why I did that. Give that one a 40, 53. Yeah. Oh no, that's more like it. That's definitely more like it.
A lot of hesitation.
Yeah. Okay, I'm closing the pound yen for 55 total.
Yeah.
That just leaves me in the US yen. US yen, why is that stopping? That US yen should come down to the 140 level, really.
Yeah, but it's 3 ball. If this magenta line comes down below 50, then we have a better chance.
Yeah, sure.
Next bar is going to tell us whether it's going to do that or not. Okay, new 15-minute bar. Come on, come on.
What's your target?
That was yours.
140.53?
Mhm.
Yeah.
This bar should take us there, but it's
Yeah,
just
it
the
should do,
start of
yeah. It should do, but then you never know.
it's just the start of the 15-minute bar, so we need to wait and see.
Okay.
Move my stop loss down.
What have you got on 100 lots of trade or 200 lots of trade?
I know. If I had that, I would have been out by now. They won't let you do 100 lots.
Will they?
Petmo won't let you do 100 lots. Max they'll let you do is 60.
Okay.
Tested that out.
You can imagine with prop firms how many people sign up for the challenges.
Yeah.
Worldwide, millions.
That's where they make most of their money.
Oh, that's where they make. Oh, any money they make from people trading is a bonus. That's why they give you back so much.
Yeah.
You know, it's costing them nothing to do that, but they're making all their money from the millions of people that lose.
Yeah, I mean, it costs them high broker fees and stuff like that because they're not the platform broker, right? They're
Right,
just IBs,
Right.
introducing brokers, I should say.
Right.
Come on, stop hesitating.
Oh, gotta close the pound in.
What's with the pound is still moving down?
Oh no, it shot back up 25 pips.
Good thing you got out then.
Yeah.
I'm going to exit this.
Yeah, I'm out for 40 pips here. Should have got out sooner.
Always get back in.
Never learn. Wow, gold is still flying up.
So Santiago must be doing really well.
Santiago's up about 400 pips, I'd say.
Yeah, I wish. Should have. I was up to 100. Should have got out. Well, I think this thing's got room to push a little bit more.
Right.
What's the price on gold? Gold. Yep.
Come on. I got out of it for 100.
Cool.
I'll wait for it for the next 15-minute bar and see what happens.
Yeah, look at that bar. Still pushing.
Yeah,
Okay, I just took a long on gold.
I just didn't want to because I was down like 50 or 60 pips earlier when they pulled
Yeah.
back.
Okay, and you move that into a 100 pip take profit. Brilliant.
So I was
Absolutely
like,
brilliant.
I don't want it.
Oh, back to the US yen. Anything happening on that US yen yet? Yeah, back in the US yen short.
Yeah.
One sec. What the?
Shit. Oh well.
Yeah. Gold is pushing really hard.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Never fails.
That means the pound dollar must be going up too, is it?
Yeah,
Not as hard as gold, but
yes, the US yen should hit the previous day high back. Should push back to the previous day high.
that's what I'm hoping. That's where I've set my target.
I'm just going to step away for a minute.
Okay. Come on, push. Like a baby, push it out. Come on. So what are your working hours now, Santiago?
For this week, I've been working from. I gotta go in at 8 at night,
Okay.
and get off at 4.
That's a weird shift. Lots of traffic, customer traffic in that time.
No, no, not. It's not as smooth as later when I leave, but it's not that much traffic.
Okay. No, not car traffic. I mean customer traffic. People calling in.
Oh no, it's the same
It's the
volume.
same. Okay. Yeah, the advantage of night shifts is the traffic is lighter.
Right.
It's just that your body cycle gets screwed up.
Yeah. Come on, is this thing gonna move or what?
I mean, gold is going higher.
Yeah, I ain't messing with gold right now. I'm in the USD yen short.
Okay. It is moving but slowly. It's gone to the previous target, which is the previous week high.
many US trades you got on there, Rajiv?
4. All right, I'm out.
That's 4 additional US trades, yeah?
Yeah, I'm out.
Okay.
I made 25,000 in today's trades. I'm good. And it's still going. It's going to hit the previous day high, which is 140.27. But I had already made my money, so that was a good call there, John.
Okay.
I don't know how you watch so many players, but yeah.
Well, like, for instance, the US yen is going down big time, okay?
Yeah. Mhm.
But straight away you go to the gold and you go to the pound US.
Okay.
Pound US is going up, like, so.
Okay. So you're doing correlational pairs.
I'm doing what?
Correlational pairs. So like if the Euro Aussie is moving, then what is the corresponding pair? Pound Swissy should be going down.
No. I very rarely even look at the Euro Aussie. If I was looking at the Euro Aussie long.
No. I'm saying I was giving an example. So,
okay, but if the Euro Aussie is going long,
mhm.
then the Aussie Swiss is going short.
Oh, it's the Aussie Swiss, not the pound Swiss.
No. If the Euro Aussie is going long, the
Right.
Aussie Swiss is going short.
Sure.
If the pound Swiss is going long, the Euro pound is going short.
Oh yeah, those are the two. Right. Okay.
If the US Swiss is going short, the Euro US is going long.
Okay.
And if the Euro US is going long, then the pound US is normally going long. And if the pound US is going long, then gold is going long.
So is that how you look at your trades?
Yeah. I mean, if I put on a trade, I set a target. If like the US yen, I went off and looked at the pound US. I wasn't able to take it because it was in gold.
Right.
Gold swallowed up all my bloody margin
Right.
with this crappy Fitmo
Correct.
setup.
€10,000 account. Yeah.
If you trade gold on Fitmo, your margin just vanishes.
I know it's like $6,000
It's,
per lot.
it's crazy. It's unreal, you know.
Yeah. It's
So,
6 times more than the regular trades.
Yeah. So you're better off trading. I mean, I'm in the gold. I wasn't thinking straight. So, you know, the pound US was a far better move because you could have added on.
Correct.
And you would have umpteen trades. I mean, like you'd have 10 trades on it with add-ons. You know? And now you'd be up, I don't know, best part of 100 and odd pips, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
With your add-ons. So, I mean, this thing has gone up to 127. That's all there is to it.
Right.
Well, no, and I'm saying that it's already been there yesterday, so they may drop it short of it a bit.
Right.
It's at the 86% retracement at the moment, which is usually a good place to short. But there seems to be a hell of a lot of momentum. Sorry, there seems to be a hell of a lot of dollar weakness at the moment. So, no, and saying that, look at the US yen now. You know, you can't,
Well, this is profit.
I just closed. I closed it out for 7 or 8 pips.
I mean, it hit the previous week high and then bounced.
Okay. So what's gold doing now?
Gold is still rising.
Yeah.
This chart is gold here.
What?
This chart is gold.
Yeah, WS1 is the target here.
Yeah, this one.
But they may drop it from here, or they might bring it up to PD low. You don't know.
And this is a 1, 2, 3 trade.
Which one?
US yen. 1, 2, 3. Bang.
Yeah.
I mean, ideally, you take the trade and just stay in it till you get the opposing green ball on the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour 3 ball.
All right.
So,
Well, I've just locked in like 14, 15 pips on my gold trade. That's the only one I've left on.
okay.
So from here on, we'll see. I've got 31 pips here at the moment, and I don't want it coming back against me really. So, and it did.
Yeah, gold was a great trade.
Okay, I got 30 pips out of it. Hold on, won't even let me close it. Christ above. 30 pips on gold. I'm done.
How are you doing there, Santiago? You're in USN. So did you get out or are you still in there?
No, I got out with 40.
Okay. So we're not in any trades anymore?
No,
You're done?
no, I'm out. Finished.
Now I'm waiting for 8:30 to see what
Oh,
happens.
the equity open. Okay,
See, maybe some of these will reverse or continue
right.
this trend.
Ooh. Excuse me. It's 6 minutes away. And the euro dollar should be flying up. It is.
It paused now.
Uh, $60 is unusual for the euro dollar. Is there anything we want to discuss as a group?
Yeah, I haven't got anything to add to the agenda. I just noticed you've changed all your things on the bottom there again to reflect the higher time frames, and you got rid of all the different colors. You just got red and green now.
You mean these?
Yeah.
That's the template I gave you, was red and green.
No, blue and red. I have blue, red, pink, and light green.
Oh, I have to change this template. Is USDN still going? I'll change my template. Don't worry.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's fine. When you get time.
Yeah.
Tell you that the US yen has got 140 written all over it.
I mean, the 1 hour has just crossed over, so this is definitely a long trade. I mean, long in the sense, long time wise.
Yeah.
It's going to take a while for it to turn around.
All right, I'm going back in now.
I would have waited till 9:30.
Well, I know you would, but that's me. I'm impatient at the moment.
Yeah.
I want to get
Because
one.
15 minutes going to cycle. Now that the magenta has crossed the 15 line, it's going to cycle and then come down. That'll be the trade. That's the expectation anyway.
And of course, gold kept on going.
Yeah.
Oh, why didn't I stick to my original plan? It's your fault, Santiago. I'm blaming you.
He's going to blame me for the USD yen getting out.
Yeah, that's your fault. Nothing's ever my fault.
You're a true Trump follower.
Look, this is Ireland. You blame somebody else straight away, no matter what. By the way, Trump indicted. He turned up at court for what?
He had to, because it was a federal indictment.
A federal what?
It was a federal court indictment, not a state court or anything like that. So it was like a national court indictment. So that's a mandatory appearance.
And is he going to be put in jail?
No, I mean, he showed up, he pleaded not guilty, and he was gone.
That's it.
There'll be a trial. This is one of the things that's going to be really hard to convict him on.
You think so? With all the evidence they got?
It doesn't matter. It's no precedence for it. And we
That's
all
all.
know how the Supreme Court is acting these days.
Didn't Trump appoint someone to the Supreme Court?
3 of them, which tilted the court into the conservative area, breaking down all the laws from the past that supported the common man. They're taking all those society guardrails out of the way, which is going to cause havoc, but they don't care. They make the 275,000 plus bonuses, no matter what.
Yeah.
And then Clarence Thomas has the gall to say that's not enough money. They don't work 365 days a year, make $275,000, get all these free benefits from all these rich guys, and then he says it's not enough. Bastard.
Who said that?
Clarence Thomas, black guy. His wife was one of the insurrectionists. He should be dismissed from the Supreme Court for that. But who has the balls to do it? This is where Biden fails completely. He's just a wimp.
He's a wuss.
Yeah.
I mean, that guy can't, even when he's reading stuff, he still can't get a sentence right.
He has no character. He has no backbone, nothing.
How did he get in?
It was against Trump. People wanted Trump out, and he was the only alternate.
I don't know.
At the time he got elected, I said this society is going to hell. Unfortunately, being proven right.
Well,
one of his key platform things was all the student debt will be forgiven, right?
all the what?
Student debt, student loan debt.
Would be forgiven. Who was that? Who was that?
Biden. I mean, that was one of his platform things that he ran on.
Okay. And was it forgiven?
2 years down the road, he had done absolutely. Oh, we're still researching. Well, what the hell did he make a claim on if you're researching now?
Yeah.
It was way of wimping on. Then he came, oh, we'll give you $10,000 back. People have $200,000, $300,000 debt. 10,000 is going to do what?
Nothing.
No, I think it's stuck in the courts.
I mean, it shouldn't be. I mean, it is not a legislative issue.
Can he sign that into?
He hasn't signed it in yet.
But as president, he can sign it in, can he?
Yeah, he can do executive orders and do it. But
Executive
will he do
order,
it? No, he doesn't have the balls to do it. Guy's a wimp. There are so many things he could have done with the executive order that he has failed to do.
No, because I think because that money comes out of the budget, so he can't do it. I don't think he can do
It doesn't
executive order.
go. I mean, Trump did all kinds of executive orders. He moved money from the Defense Department to do his wall, the whole thing. He can do the same thing. There is no such thing as a budget when it comes to discretionary budgets, right? You can take money out of that. Everybody's done it, right? When you have a what is it called? What is it called? Rain account, whatever it is. I don't know what the right term is, but you have money set aside for emergencies, kind of thing. You use that for emergencies. If your economy is tanking because people can't afford to live, You can use the emergency funds to, solve that problem, and then the economy goes back up because people are now free from the shackles. But the guy doesn't have the brains to think. People, oh, what about all the people who already paid? Give them a bonus. But you have to think it through, right? I mean, maybe you don't do all 100% because you have to pay people that have already paid. Maybe you do 70%. But your numbers don't change that way. But people still get relief. But now, he's the same. He doesn't care about the common person. He just portrays he does, but he doesn't really care.
Yeah, close this US yen for 10 minus 10.
Okay.
Something that's
Well,
just
the equity market has opened, so let's see what it does now. The dollar is still weak. One hour still moving down, but that won't change till 10 o'clock anyway. Look at gold. Still going.
gold is going to fly it. How's the pound US doing?
Pound US is moving up. It's hit
It's got to break 127 and then come back and test it before going down.
yeah, it's almost at the 1.2695 level, which was the high yesterday.
Okay.
That's also the double top.
All right.
So did you take any trades there, Santiago?
No, I haven't taken any.
Okay. We are all out of trades, right?
I'm not trying. I'm going into gold now.
Okay.
I shouldn't have gone into that. 5 minutes is way too long in the tooth.
I mean, the reason I was asking, so Santiago, this is for you. You get a turning point here and the 1 hour starts to cycle down right there, right?
Right.
And then you're looking at the 5 minute for a trend trade from that point, right?
Right.
So,
Or a change in direction.
or a change in direction. So this is where the 1 hour starts to cycle. Go to the 5 minute, and you already have a change direction, so you're looking for a continuation, which is right there.
Right.
And where's your exit?
Well, it depends on what is my target on the larger time frame.
Well, in this case, the target would be the previous week high, right?
Right.
So just somewhere, just right there, actually. So that would be 80 pips. Unless you get a reversal here, which you did, right? Right there.
Right.
And that would be the first possible exit. Right there. So there's this magenta going over the line, so you're not going to wait that long to exit. But
Excuse me.
then your next entry is in here because you're back in the And that's probably going to coincide with that. Right. So when it's turned down, the 5-minute also gave you a trend trade. And that was the actual trade if you had been watching this to take
Right.
you down to your target for 70 pips with a 20 pip stop loss. Is that, am I stating that correctly?
I think so, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you're on the 5
Or,
minute.
or,
Yeah, yeah.
or you can do if you go to the 30-minute, you can follow instead of your 1 hour, you can follow your 30-minute cycles. And it should give you your pullback, that pullback.
Right.
Should give you that push down and that pullback.
Correct.
So you know your 30-minute is cycling up.
Yeah.
You just wait for it to peak and then take that next
Sure.
cycle down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm starting to look at the 30 minutes more.
It give you an earlier entry and an exit.
Right.
And like right here, this would be your trade long all
Correct.
the way up here. So why put this stochastic candle? What is it? This one. And make this 30-minute on a 5-minute chart. Do the 5-minute. That's the histogram. Don't need that. Need a candle. Well, a candle. Well, swing, swing, swing. Okay. Stochastic candle. Okay. There you go. Okay. So there's my candle. There's my short, and there's my short. This is a 30-minute candle.
So the white is the peak.
White speak, right? This is a 30-minute peak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then once it peaks,
Is that a 2-1 or a regular 5-3-2?
regular 5-3-2.
Okay.
Once it peaks over here, you get your entry over here for 57 pips. And this one here, your entry 38 pips. And this is peaking on the 30 now.
That's it. That's a really good system now. That's perfect.
Yeah, so if you look at the 30, it's starting to peak
Yeah. Yeah.
or trough,
Yeah. Or bottom out.
bottom out, right?
Whatever.
And if you look at the gold, there's the peak and there's the trade short, and then it's just immediately reversed without bottoming out. Actually bottomed out over here, but
Right.
it was a sudden move. In any case, you would have gotten the entry over here.
Yeah, well, that's because you put it on the 30-minute now, it brings it into a whole new realm altogether.
Right.
Okay.
And if you look at the pound dollar,
yeah,
same thing.
Same thing. It'll be the same with everything you do, I guarantee it.
Yeah.
Right. I guarantee it. You don't even have to.
Here was your trough, and then here was your entry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Up to the peak.
Yeah.
And
wow.
So you can either put that one or.
Oh no, you had it right. You had it right there. You had it was perfect.
And I was just going to do this. Yeah. 30 minutes. And then put the peak on it. And that gives you your peaks and troughs. So here's your trough, and then here's a trade. Trough, trade. So this actually gives you, because this is just based on the 532. So if you look at the USD yen, you got your peak, there's a trade.
Yeah.
Your peak, there's a trade.
Yeah.
And if you looked at gold,
that's crystal clear. That's just fantastic.
Yeah, here's your trough.
Yeah.
And there's a trade.
Oh my God, Jesus in heaven. On the 5-minute chart. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now you can do the same thing on the 1 minute and
No. You don't need to.
15
If you've
minute,
got the
but then-
5-minute there, you're going to crack it at that no matter what, right?
Yeah. So
You just there wasn't even any drawdown on those trades.
no, well, true. That is true. And what else did we look at today?
When you lined up your trades and you got your entry based on your candles and your moving average crosses at the bottom were all in sync.
Yeah.
It was an absolute no-brainer, and that's on the 5-minute. You do not need to look at another chart if you're trading prop accounts.
Yeah. So USD yen, for example.
Oh my God.
Everything's lined up short.
Wow. That's
a trade.
Absolutely amazing trade.
And it is still a short.
That's amazing. Because it's identifying to you where the peaks and the troughs are, right? Or the peaks and the highs and the lows are, right?
Yeah.
And you are waiting for it's painting out, like nothing just goes straight up and then within a second turns straight back down, right?
Mm-hmm.
It takes a little while. And this thing is painting that out for you as to what's going on the 5-minute chart.
Yeah.
You've just cracked it, man. Jesus wept. Wow.
And this is not a trade because here the moving averages weren't set, but you can take a trade. You can take it on these two.
Right.
You just know it's not going to last long.
Right.
And this one is all in alignment, so you just play it out.
Oh my God, heaven. Like
pound dollar long, everything lined up.
Right, just put in like from where you started the trade on the pound dollar and just put in like your 25 pips there, right?
So this was the entry.
Yeah.
That's 25 pips right there.
There you go.
There was another entry over here.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
And that was 17 pips.
Now, remember the gold trade I took a little while ago?
Gold.
I took it long, remember?
Yeah. Yeah, this would have been long, right?
Yeah.
150 pips.
Well, no, I'm up 60 something, 67. I was late getting into it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, remember I got, what did I get on the first trade? 50 pips or something, was it? Yeah, 50.
So Santiago went short somewhere in here, right? Right, Santiago?
When?
You made your 100 pips, or was it this one?
No, he went long to get 100.
It was on the way up.
Oh, okay. And it went against you, and then so your long would have been somewhere in here. And then it went against you
Right.
25 pips, but you had a couple of lots on probably.
Right.
So that would have been like 250 pip trade on two
Yep.
positions.
Yep.
And it didn't really kick in until all the moving averages came to sync, and then it just took off.
You've answered a prayer for me.
And what prayer was that?
The one that said for the last few years that the 30-minute had a huge significance and I could never pin it down. You've just pinned it down.
Well, we just, I mean,
Yeah, no.
the coordinated charts of the 5 minute and the 1
I
hour,
don't care,
it's
I
just
don't care.
brought it closer by using the 30.
All right, well, look, you can call it whatever you want, but that's what it is. It is what it is now. You have it now. That's it. You finally nailed it.
And this one I can change to 30 minutes also,
Huh?
the moving average.
Oh, yeah.
So that gives you a proper, like a short. This was a short here, and then a long.
What's your exit
On what? On this?
on the 5-minute system that you have in front of you? What is your exit?
Oh, okay. So if you take a short, right?
Yeah.
The exit is either this, where it changes colors,
Yeah.
or a target, which is
Yes.
this.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
When it changes colors, you can see it goes blank on the moving average. So that's a definite exit. It shouldn't be in your trade.
Surely, yeah. You should have been out before that, really. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So on the USD yen that we took the trades on, there is no exit after you took the trade. You're still in the trade. You shouldn't have been bothered with this.
Yeah, it should have been just an opportunity to go short again.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, it turned color earlier. Now it turned back to red.
Yeah, it
It
changed
turned to
colors
peak
on this one as it moved up, right?
Right. And then,
So you could have gotten out and then gotten back in.
right.
All right. Okay. You have it now. It's definitely it now. I guarantee you have it now. All right. So you've put the 30-minute on the bottom now instead of the 1 hour. Is that it?
Yeah, this is a 30-minute.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
And for a prop account, you can, this trade didn't kick in till here. And you still made 34 pips.
Lovely.
So you didn't have to live through this.
Now the good thing about the 30-minute is when the 1 hour gives you like a small cycle that you can barely see it.
The 30 minutes will give you an exaggerated cycle.
Yeah, your 30-minute will get you a better cycle.
Yeah. I mean, there's like the Euro New Zealand I was saying is going long, right?
Yeah.
Here's a long trade. And based on this system, you got a peak and a trough at the same time. So there's no trade here.
Yeah.
But then there's a trade here.
Yeah, look at that.
But the 30-minute is not set.
But it's okay. I suppose with the Euro New Zealand moves very fast when it moves. So let's say you took, I would never be trading that under this system. All I'd ever be doing is trading the ones that pay the biggest money. Pound US, Euro US, gold, Aussie US, whatever it is, right?
Euro US, there's a long trade.
Oh my God, look at that.
Right there.
Look at it.
Right
there
in the
under
peak itself, right?
Yeah.
50 pips.
Yeah.
Here's a long trade here. 30 pips.
Yeah.
This is a Euro US.
I know.
Hardly
Yeah.
ever moves.
Yeah. Why, like you don't need to trade all the stuff that's crazy in the head. You know, you can
Right.
just trade this.
Here's a pound Swiss. Here's a short trade. 33 pips.
All right, go over to the euro pound.
Euro pound should be going long.
Left, yeah, there.
Euro pound was going long.
Yeah.
13 pips.
Yeah. Well, don't forget now the euro pound pays
You
out.
get $16 a pip. So
Yeah.
that's 1.5
Yeah.
times what you get on the pound Swiss.
Yeah.
So 16 times 1.5 is like 24 pips.
Yeah, but it moves a lot slower. It moves about
Yes.
40, it moves about 40 pips at a time.
Yes. So EuroCAD was the other thing Santiago was looking at. Going long, which is right there. Around 45 pips out of that. Because this ball was over here.
Yeah.
And your target is here. So this would have been a 38 pip.
I knew Santiago come up with something eventually. I knew he would. I knew it. It took 10 years, but it was worth waiting for Santiago, you know. My man.
I mean, the trade I took yesterday on the Euro Aussie was right here,
Thing of beauty.
short and then long. This is the trade I made my money on,
Right.
100 pips.
Okay.
And I wasn't using these candles. I was just using the straight moving average.
Okay.
The thing is patience, right? I mean, there's no trade. You know you're going long with a 3 ball. This is a
Yeah.
1 hour 3 ball. You can change that too. Indicator list.
Look, I'm 90 pips up. I'm going to close this gold trade, right?
Right.
It's gone. I got 90 out of it. Okay.
30. 6 times 13 is 78. 34 times 6 is 180. 204.
Put in a snatcher, 30-minute chance snatcher.
Yeah. This is now your 30-minute 3 ball. Are you expecting to go long? Are you just waiting for the long trade, and it happens over here.
Okay.
And you can either follow this or get out over here.
Okay. All right.
If you're scalping, you get out over here. If you're
All right.
swinging,
So all you got to do now is just change the greens on the bottom to the blues so that it matches up with the others, and then you're flying it. Okay.
all right, I'll do it for you.
Okay, you're the man. I know. I knew you. I knew. I seen it all along. You asked Brita. I keep talking about you all the time.
That's my ears burn. So my ears are burning.
Oh, my man, I tell you, you've. I'm going to tell you something else now. You can.
There you go, just for you.
No, yeah, now you have it. Yeah, now we're sucking diesel.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we're really sucking diesel. Yeah.
I have to redo this template anyway to put in the 4 colors.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. But let me tell you now that you've absolutely. Now I know you've been onto something for a long time, and I've been waxing lyrical about it. But this is for the purposes of what it is we're trying to do with these prop firms. You have now nailed it. Okay.
I mean, if you just do the pound dollar, right? Nothing
Yeah.
else.
If you did nothing else, only the pound dollar,
Right.
right?
So you got a long. You're waiting for a long trade.
Yeah.
Happens over here, and your exit is here.
Yeah.
7 pips.
Yeah.
And your entry is here, and you're still in it for 40 pips.
Yeah. Okay.
You're done.
You're done. You're finished. You're out. Yeah. Okay.
And
Okay.
look, when it took off, it took out the Asian high.
Oh my God.
Till then, it was just
Yeah.
in between.
Yeah. You've just absolutely. I'm going to stay
The
quiet.
Asia was 42 pips, which was way too much for Asia. right? It
I've
should
pulled,
have been at
I've
45
pulled
pip
about,
box.
I've pulled, before we even brought this up, I've pulled 200 pips today, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
And if we had this, I could have needn't bother with all that trade and jumping all over the place. I could have just stuck with the pound US and say
Right.
gold, right?
Right.
Because they generally move in the same direction.
Right.
Increase the lot size and made twice as much money. Do
Yeah.
you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, lovely, brilliant, absolutely
The
brilliant.
point I'm trying to make is this Asia box is unusual for the pound dollar. 42 pips.
Yeah, yeah, all right.
It's normally 25 to 30 pips,
Yes, yes, yes.
which provides a narrow range, and that gives you your, bullish, better bullish or bearish.
All right,
trade.
but it also pays $10 a pip instead of like 6.90, 6.50 or 7.
That is correct.
Okay. And I
So-
don't, what does the pound New Zealand pay per pip? It's like
$6.7.
$6.
6.7.
All right. With a wider spread? Nah, forget it. You know,
Yeah.
forget it. Right.
So
I mean,
this
look,
is the pound dollar yesterday, right? So here's your
Yeah.
Asia range.
Jesus, what?
When it broke the Asia range, you can see everything lined up.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my God. First
And
trade.
went,
No, but
went
first you had an exit. You had an exit. There's the exit. How many pips is that?
27.
There's pips, right? And you got
And
another.
then, and
You got
then
another
from here
trade
to
later
here,
in the New
Four-
York session.
46.
60
But
out.
what I was trying to say was Asia range providing the high and low, prospective high and low, and then when it
Oh
breaks,
yeah.
there's a trade.
Yeah. So that's like the box you were talking about last
Correct.
week. Yeah.
But what the box that Santiago was talking about is each session, the first
Okay,
hour of
right.
each session.
Okay, yeah.
But
All
I mean, look at this box, right? This is the Asia box 2 days ago.
Yeah.
It never came back to it. It was a long.
No, you're right. Didn't. But look at what the system is telling you on the 5-minute without looking at any other chart.
Right? Long,
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 long.
3 trades.
Yeah.
Pound US, I bet you've got 60 pips out of the 3 trades or 50 pips.
Well,
anyway.
this one you probably didn't get much because this bar was too long. This is the news,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So this one you got 18,
Yeah.
and this one you got 20. Well, depends right here.
Well,
Another
okay.
18.
So you got 40 pips, right? Let's say you got 30 even, right?
36.
I'm looking at that, but I'm also looking at there is little or no drawdown.
Correct.
And that's equally as important as
Yeah.
making pips, right?
Yeah.
That's the key to success.
Right.
Trade one pair, hardly any drawdown on this system. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'll have to move over there to Texas.
I might have to move over there to where you at because the way things are going here. Yeah.
Well, if you
Might
think
have
they're
to
bad over there, mister, you got. Well, but you are you're both more than welcome anytime. You know, you just have to sleep in the same bed. We only have a small house. And don't bring your wives. I've got one here. You can have her, take her back with you. I don't mind.
What? You don't have a guest house? Come on.
Oh, not yet, no. But if we keep this system up for 12 months, I guarantee I'll build on 2 extensions, one for Raj and one for Santiago. All right. Oh, sweet Jesus. Can you
Yeah.
imagine? Can you imagine 12 Can you imagine, guys, 12 months from now playing this system properly?
All right.
We could all meet up wherever you want, the Bahamas, wherever.
I take the December off, basically.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a
But-
life.
Yeah, I mean, I know, Santiago, you use your stochastics down here. What the thought is the when it turns blue, the stochastic means that the 5 and 13 on that time frame has crossed the 50.
All right.
It's either a change of direction or trend
look.
trade based on the
Right. Okay. Look at the pound. What price is the pound US? 127. And here was me thinking it would bounce down off of 127, but the system is telling you no.
Yeah.
it didn't happen. But I would have put in my target at 126.95, whatever it was,
Right,
and I would have been more than happy with that, right?
correct.
Okay. Okay, my man. Okay, you've cracked it. Absolutely cracked it. You cracked it. You don't need what you call it. You don't need what's those things? The fibs. You don't need anything.
No, because this is
Oh.
telling you where your exits are.
Exactly. You can just, you can cash out now if you want, if you're still in it. You can say, right, that's
Well, you're either at break even or you locked in a few pips and you're just letting it run.
yeah, whatever, right? That's your choice.
I mean, technically speaking, you don't even need the snatcher. It's just snatcher is there for reference, but sometimes it just confuses you, right? So
Okay, all right. Well, nonetheless, has that 3 ball just appeared on the top now?
still there.
When did it first come in?
Probably it's coming in here. It just kept going up.
Yeah. But okay, all right, okay, fine. All right.
This is a 30-minute
Okay.
3 ball. So
Okay.
it's just telling you that there's a turnaround coming soon. So keep moving your stops underneath the candle.
That's, you just cracked it. You've nailed it. It's absolutely perfect. It couldn't be more perfect for the purpose of trading prop firm accounts. This could not be, in my opinion, this could not be more perfect. Couldn't be. You're not looking at the 1 minute. You're not getting into trouble.
Right.
You're trading one pair at a time. You're going to make your qualifications take a little bit longer, but oh my God, you're in it for the long haul. You'll be trading the prop firm account forever, and then when you start making money, you can take it out and set up another account, and you can, what's the word? Copy it.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet Jesus Christ! And you'll be doing the same thing all the time, over and over. Keep your business boring, gentlemen.
Correct.
Keep your business boring.
So I'll
Okay.
put this template out for you guys.
You have it set up properly now, have you?
I just set it up for the 5 minute.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, it's in the chat.
Super duper. In the chat on Skype.
Yeah. Mhm.
Download.
I have to redo the template anyway because of
Okay, well,
we'll
just use this one. We'll just use this one now on the 5 minute then, yeah?
Yeah, but I'm just saying I have to create a new template with the 4 color
Okay.
moving out. But for now, you can use this because the other one gives you the warning, right? That this is about to give you a bullish trade, like a green, light green, or a pink. So I'll do that
Yeah, sure.
this weekend, not today or tomorrow.
Okay, well, 15th of June.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's still going.
What is?
It's gone up another 10 pips since we talked. Since
Pound
we
US?
last looked at it.
Pound
Pound
US?
US, yeah. So this thing is up.
It came out as
70.
green. Oh no, hold on.
Look at the 5 minute.
Oh yeah, I've gone to the 5 minute. I was on the wrong time frame. Sorry.
Yeah.
Right. Confusing me.
5 minute is the only time frame that has the candles on it right now.
Okay, that's fine. I understand. I just didn't do it right. That's all.
I think you're quiet.
He is, isn't he? Is he going to sleep?
Either he's too tired to talk to us, or he just don't want to talk to us.
I bet you he's asleep.
Yeah, I don't talk too much. I just listen.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, do you have anything to add to what we just done? I know this is different template than yours, but
No, I'm It's the only different thing that I'm incorporating is the 30-minute more
Okay,
for 30-minute cycles.
okay. But that's just the
And
5 minute, right? Or
what you
even
mean?
on the 1 minute, you're doing that.
No, I'm the 5. I usually just leave it on the 30-minute and just wait for a trade on the 30-minute and then switch over to a 5-minute.
Oh, you're actually looking at the 30-minute chart.
Mhm.
We'll give this over.
And you have that FFX stochastic, so you're looking for the
Yeah, I just
5-minute cycle.
I just added a 30-minute FSX. I didn't have it on there before.
Yeah,
So I went from 15 to 1 hour.
What did I do?
But now I can actually stay on my 5-minute and look at my 30-minute FFX.
cycles.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I don't have to actually be on the 30-minute. I can stay on the 5.
Yeah, with this, basically the 30-minute cycle is right here. So,
Right.
I mean, you can obviously change it to a 2 to 1, like you want.
Yeah.
You
Well,
the-
I have the candle 2 to 1 30-minute.
right. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but the actual cycle on FSX is the regular 532.
532. Right. Okay. All right. I think I got some work to do. Anything else we want to talk about? It's 10
No.
o'clock.
Thanks a million. Thank you very much.
Okay. Santiago?
Thank you.
No. I mean the other thing that I'm using as a just to pick the pairs.
Yeah.
Is the MA dash.
I mean, oh, the big one.
Yeah, the big one, because
Okay.
it's just easier to see. Okay, the dollar's weak. Okay, what's strong? You know, pound, euro, New Zealand, and just stick
Right.
to those pairs.
Yeah, but
And then
okay. So you're trading multiple pairs, so it's useful to you. Yeah.
right, yeah. If I want to switch pairs, I know which one to switch to,
Correct.
or just stick with one pair.
But there's no gold on that. So how do you do gold?
Well, gold is usually just keep eye on the dollar, and then
Okay.
look at your chart. If the dollar is weak, then it's a good chance that the gold is going to move up.
Okay. So what is it called? Is whatever it's called. It's opposite pairs or whatever, right?
Yeah. Cor-
I'm getting old.
correlation.
It's not correlations, it's transverse pairs. If one goes up, the other one goes kind of thing. So Sean, I would have been exiting this trade now. You would have been
Yes.
taking me out because my
Yeah.
stop would be right here underneath this candle. So and this candle being like this, it's more than likely it's going to take me out.
Okay.
You were asking about the exits.
How many pips would that have actually been from the entry on the 5-minute?
So the entry would have been, without the moving averages lining up, would have been right here, right? Stochastic wise.
Yes.
And that would be 63 pips.
Jesus Christ. All right.
And basically all you're doing is following the 30-minute swing.
Yeah. Beautiful.
I mean, it would have kept you out of a lot of these trades. And you would have got a long trade here, but that's it.
Yeah.
None of this short crap because your 30-minute is long.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, guys, they took me out right there.
Okay. Okay, guys.
You all have a good weekend.
I'll be around in the morning for a couple of hours. After that, I'm done.
Okay.
God bless you. Thanks a million.
All right. See
See you,
you later,
Santiago.
Santiago.
All right, take it easy.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye.